Hi everyone, I wanted to show you a little fancy trick on how to do your astrology magic hour teas on ice. And it's a shaken, sort of a more fun, festive way to make an iced tea. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mango ginger cream with turkey tail, and this has white tea and as well as a little jasmine yin hao green tea, and this is the Cancerian sun sign tea. I'm going to put a little bit of this, I'm going to steep a little of this in this teapot, and you only need about a tablespoon of it. And then I'm going to do the Pisces, which is such a beautiful tea, and this is magnolia jasmine blue tea with, oh God, that's way too much. Never use that much in a pot. You'll never sleep again. Okay, there. That's better. Jeez. More is more until it's not, right? Okay, so I'm gonna steep these and then I'm gonna show you how to make them on ice. So what's so fun about this is when you're throwing a party or you're entertaining or you're even just doing this at the end of the day to celebrate the end of your work schedule or your work day, or you wanna have a special treat with a loved one, or have a little date night with your lover, you can make these for your sign and their sign. So three of my best friends are of the sign of Cancer. My mom is a Pisces. And what's fun about this is it's an alcohol-free way to really celebrate the day and to really celebrate those you love. And you can, it gives new meaning to what's your sign. So basically you just steep the tea for, 5 minutes or so. And I'm making more of concentrates so it'll be stronger. And you can make one for them, one for you, or you can make them your own sun sign if you only have yours. And you can do this with Gemini, you can do it with Aquarius, you can do it with any of the teas. And so I'm gonna let these steep and I'll be right back. So basically you get a cocktail mixer and you put ice in it. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and strain the tea into the ice. What's lovely about the astrology blends as well is that they are rare teas, and there's no blends like these on the planet. I made them all up, and they go with your sun sign, your moon sign, and your rising sign. So if you know anything about astrology, it's pretty fun. And this is the Pisces. And you can sweeten these before you cool them. And so there you have a gorgeous Pisces teeny. Gorgeous, oh my God, that's amazing. And then we're gonna do the Cancerian one, which is a mango ginger cream. And this is divine. The ginger during the heat of the day helps with nausea. So if you get a little nauseous on a hot summer day, this will calm you right down. It's got white tea, which is great for collagen production, keeps your skin gorge. And, oh, don't explode. Okay. Look how pretty. So pretty. So you can dress these up with you can put a little mango in the mango teeny, the Cancerian one. You can put a little apple in the blueberry one. And you can even add a touch of cream to them if you are feeling that. And then you can basically celebrate your astrology sign. Celebrate your health, celebrate your abundance, celebrate everything about you, right? So aren't these gorgeous? So that's how you do shaken iced tea. You can sweeten them with monk fruit, you can sweeten them with honey. I'm actually gonna put a drizzle of honey in this one. And you can just make every day a celebration. And don't forget, magic hour is the new happy hour. And it's better for you than a real martini. Trust me on that. gorgeous. Okay, that's it. I'll meet you at clubmagichour.com. We have recipes, we have tea, we have rituals for self-care and connection, and our mission is to connect the world through tea ceremony, and this is just one way to do it. So here's to your health.